A plane descends at a rate of 50 feet per minute. Which graph represents this scenario? So if we're talking about a plane descending at a rate of 50 feet per minute, we're looking at the variables of height in feet and minute, so time in minutes. So our independent variable would be minutes or time, and our dependent variable would be in feet or height in feet. So the x-axis on these graphs is representing the time in minutes, and the y-axis is representing the height of the plane in feet. So if the plane is descending, that means the plane is losing 50 feet per minute. It's losing a height of 50 feet per minute. The height is decreasing. So this is automatically eliminating the graph for choice C, because as the minutes go on, as the minutes get higher, it looks like the height is increasing. So that is not going to be an accurate graph for this scenario, because we don't want the height, we don't want the y values. As x increases, we don't want the y values to increase, we want them to be decreasing. Now specifically, they have to be decreasing at this rate of 50 feet per minute. That means constantly after each minute goes by, you're losing a height of 50 feet. So that makes us look a little bit closer at the coordinates we're given. We have in graph A, for example, we have the coordinates of 1, 350. We have 2, 300. We have 4, 200. And 5, 150. So if we're looking from each coordinate point, as you go over each minute, as you increase the minutes by 1, the height is actually decreasing by 50. You would go from 350 to 300, and then they skip the data point of 3 minutes, but they're going from 4 minutes to 5 minutes. You're going from 200 to 150 feet. So graph A is descending at that rate of 50 feet per minute. Now B is very similar. We do have 2 and 300 as one data point, and we have 3 and 250. So at first it looks like as the minute increases, your height is decreasing by 50. But if you go over here at this data point of 5, that's 5, 200. So right here you have decreased by 50 feet, but not per minute, it was actually per 2 minutes. So that has changed your rate. And then we go from 5, now we have this data point over here of 7, 100. And that is decreasing over the 2 minutes by 100. So that is actually then again decreasing by 50. But if you go from these two data points, 3 to 5, you're actually decreasing by 50 feet per 2 minutes, and then that's a different rate. We have to be that consistent rate like graph A with those data points. So our answer, the graph that's representing a plane descending at a rate of 50 feet per minute, is answer choice A.